Managing the project is an art, especially when the right management approach is adopted. In this video, we are going to discuss the pros and cons of waterfall, which is nothing but the traditional project management approach, and the agile model, which is the most trending model nowadays. First, let us understand what is waterfall. This is a simple flow of waterfall. From the diagram itself, we can understand it's a sequential flow. It starts from planning the requirements, then design what we have planned, then actually executing the plan, then testing and commissioning, commercial operation, then maintaining the structure. Simple as that. Construction of a highway infrastructure project, let's say. Here the project cost, length of the project and time all fixed. There will not be a change in the scope of the project. The final product is fixed, time is fixed, cost is fixed. Of course, there is a slighter changes, but it's not rapid changes. So the plan stage to commercial operation, it's going to be a smooth flow. Like if you take a design stage, the design team will design a drawing, the MTO, so everything will be go on as per the schedule. And when the actual construction starts, that's actually the build stage. Then testing and commissioning. Then on successful acceptance from the client end, the road will be handed over to the client by the contractor, or there and the maintenance if it is part of their contract. So it's the clean structural orientation. So there are no major changes, just changing the highway road into a metro rail construction. To put it simply, the final product is defined and executed in a sequential manner. Now agile. Here also we see plan, design, build, test. Fine. What is that? The deploy. So here the agile, when the limited information, when you don't know how much it will cost, how much time frame, then agile is the best model. Every week the project team used to sit and review and they use or they will change the product entirely. When the requirements are expected to meet changes, yes, the final product also has a chance to get changed, which is agile. Agile is most applicable in the IT field where the changes are happening rapidly. If a client wants to introduce a new workflow based on artificial intelligence, which is originally designed to code for a static overflow model, such environment is termed as agile. The entire project requirements were not available, as I said. The best project management approach is agile. Okay, now let's compare agile and waterfall with pros and cons. First, let's go with waterfall ideal for what, agile ideal for what. We already discussed just in a simple points. Agile ideal for short duration products. Yes, products. Why we mentioned here as products instead project? Due to the maximum probability of changing the final product. Okay. It has limited details, rapid changing needs. And waterfall is ideal for long duration projects. All mega construction projects will comes under waterfall. And defined requirements, fixed time and cost, predefined milestones. So whichever the project have all these characteristics goes with waterfall. Now let's go with the pros. Waterfall. Waterfall have well-defined requirements, adequate planning time. Planning first, execution next, isn't it? And control on scope, cost, time changes. This is very important. Chances of variation are limited due to defined scope. Enable to implement cost-cutting strategies. For example, if you have a shared resource from another project or from project management office, then it can be shared in a waterfall method. Let's go with agile. Guaranteed customer satisfaction. Since the customer or project sponsor of the project also part of the project team and he review the project weekly, he plays like a project manager role. It's so obvious, na? The delivery of the satisfied product. Done. Flexible time and cost reflect latest trend. They keep changing. Rapid delivery. The schedule is to be very short span. So Agile basically increase the productivity, skills, and quality. Of course, productivity we can understand because the schedules are very tighter. They have to act as productive. Skills seems to reflect the latest trend. The project team keep upgrade themselves. The skill, the latest technology, they have to learn, keep on upgrading. So skills also getting developed. So when you try something new, when you learn something new and you are putting into the work, definitely the when we repeatedly doing some work and we are trying challenging something, then our quality automatically will be there. Then what are the other advantages? Control on risk. Because every week we are sitting and reviewing the project model. So what are the problems areas we completely can figure it out. The variations, the project itself will get changed. So it's not like a variation chance. And of course the schedule, basically Agile is more strict on schedules. So delays are not chances. And what are the cons? Risk on customer dissatisfaction. Generally, customer interaction with waterfall model is limited. Milestone handover or some monthly progress review meetings, like limited meetings. Even in that meeting, also they won't be discussing all the facts. They give some updates. It's not like Agile, how the project team inclusive of the customer. Increase in sequence overlaps. Generally, mega projects executed with many vendors. The work sequence will create complications between the vendors when the planning failed to forecast. So there's always chances of getting conflicts between the vendors. Inflexible to changes. Something goes wrong. Sometimes it's possible to rectify it, and sometimes it becomes impossible with waterfall. We have to live with that. And Agile, dedicated project team is required because the schedules are very limited and the project also dynamic, keep changing. So the project is a tight target and changing condition. The full plus dedicated project team is necessary. This is the very important point. Stress unless Agile mindset. Yes, you cannot be in relaxed mode with Agile. Okay. So we can summarize it in this way. Waterfall handles long-term, well-defined requirements of a project in a linear sequential approach, and Agile handles changing business requirements through well-coordinated and quick project management. I hope the information presented here would be beneficial to you, and we'll meet in another video. Till then, goodbye.